guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom font in Davinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple. Go to thefont.com and download any font you have, and then from there locate it in your Finder or in your file manager. So let's go to downloads, and here I have one. So just extract the zip and then go to the folder itself, find the OTF. So let's head to the OTF font preview, and then all you have to do is press install. So I already have it installed, so mine's gonna say replace now. So let's just say replace now, and there we have it. So once we have opened our Davinci Resolve right now, you can go here to your text basically and go to font family and find the font that we're looking for. So this is the downloaded font that we have, and there you go. So if this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.